Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to learn how to interface LED and how to program GPIO output with ESP32 using ESP IDF, IDE and C programming. So let us get started step by step. This is VS Code IDE. Now click on ESP IDF Explorer and wait for a moment. Okay. Now click on new project. Type here project name. This is LED Blink and select here project directory. Okay. Now select here board. Board is ESP rover kit 3.3 volt and COM port 10 is okay. Now choose template. Click on template app and create project using template app. Okay. And click on yes. Yes. Okay. Project has been created and here yes. Project has been created. Now I will close this one and okay. Click this thing. Okay, now go to main and main.c. Close this. This. Okay. Now we will write here code. So first of all, now I am going to create a project to blink LED. Okay. So I will define the pin for LED. Has defined LED pin. LED is connected on 2 number GPIO pin. Okay. And now I will reset the LED pin. So GPIO reset pin, pass this LED pin. Okay. Now I will set this GPIO pin as an output. Okay. GPIO set direction here LED pin and GPIO mode output. Okay. Now I will use here while loop. Continuously LED will be blink. It is true. First of all, I will turn on the LED. So GPIO set level LED pin and true. And now I will use delay. Task delay 1000 millisecond. Okay. Okay. Now I will copy this line and paste here. Okay. Now it will be false. Okay. Now we have to include the library. So first of all, I will include driver library. Okay. Now I will include free RDAS library. Okay. So now code is ready. I will once build this project. Click on build project. Okay, now project has been built successfully. So now I will flash this code. There is flash button. I will click over here and okay, select here UART Now it is uploading. Okay, you can see LED is blinking with 1 second delay. Okay, so friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, so please do like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.